Hello, my name is Rona and welcome to the workshop. I'm really excited to have you here today, and it is a big step, and I'm so happy that you decided to take this workshop because it is going to be so very helpful in you and I getting to know each other. One of the things that I decided to do when I created this workshop was to divide it into 3 segments. So that way you'll have an opportunity to pause and go over that information. The first video is about 10 minutes and each one is about 10 or 12 minutes. So it's a total of 3. And that way you'll have an opportunity to pause, answer the questions. There's 2 or 3 questions in each video that will allow you to think about your direction and what it is that you want to accomplish in this design project. So with that intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll see you on the other side of part 1 of this workshop. You'll see at the top of this image crown molding, and you'll see beautiful detail and different hues of the same paint to make the trim pop so that you get that 3D effect in the image that you're looking at. In addition to the trim and the crown molding, take note of the sconces on the wall. Now, the trim gives you a more traditional look and feel. In the next set of images, we're going to be talking about which colors appeal to you the most and why. Here we are looking at one of the intro images that I used earlier in our discussion, where we talked about different colors and what things influence us, whether it's culture or vacations or anything that we've come across over a period of time. And so when you take a look at an image like this and you look at the color wheel, you start to see the science of color and why certain things appeal to us. Now, if we take adjacent colors, colors that are located next to each other, but not to exceed 4 hues or 4 different colors, you'll start to pull those colors out of this color wheel. With that being said, which colors do you see here in this image that are also represented on the color wheel? And how would you put these colors in a room inside your home? Here's an image that I selected that represents the colors that were in the previous.